So guys, they have a new one here. The as seen on TikTok is a fidget puppet, the small ones. So cool. You want one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Oops. Hold on.
Now we can get mine.
So DJ's turn.
It's not gonna work. It's gonna work.
Zia, help him please.
Okay, Mom.
Here you go.
There you go,
There you
DJ.
go. Let me see.
I cannot open
Nice.
here.
That's cute.
I wanna.
It's cute.
DJ. Wow.
So Zia's going to get the new fidget puppet.
It's called a simple gym.
Yep. What did you get?
What?
Oh, it's the same.
That's
You got this one too, see?
Yep.
Should have went there.
Here we go again, guys. We're gonna try this, okay? There you go. What's that? You want this one too, DJ?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me the money, please.
Here, Mommy.
There you go. Ooh. Here, DJ. Wow, it's a blue one. Let's see. Look at that.
It feels so good. Let's get more.
Nice. Let me see, DJ.
There's more
Wow.
things inside.
Can you open it?
I got another flower one.
Flower yellow one. Let me see.
I don't know what shape it is.
Ooh, it's a square one.
Very cool. Whoa. Ew.
Let me see. Ooh.
Ew.
Feels funny?
It feels like slime.
It's good. Let me see. Don't keep moving. We're back here, guys. Oh, you want the bulldogs?
There it is. Looks like I got a black bulldog. It's a stress ball.
Wow. It's a black one. What about you, DJ? Which one? So they have more now, guys. And then DJ wants this glitter potty balls. I don't know. This one is. Uh-oh. It's not working. So the kids are going to get some new sticky hands. Okay. You're gonna wash your hand afterwards. There you go. Did you get it? Go ahead. Zia, can you help brother, please? Okay. There you go. You get a green one? Mommy's gonna get one. Hold on, Mommy's gonna get one too. Let's see. I get a yellow one.
Mommy, can we trade?
You wanna trade? Okay. There you go. Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So they also have the alpaca. This is squishy also. And then they have this. And then they still have the puppet in there. good?
One, two, three, go. Yes!
Yes.
Thank you.
Wash your hand afterwards, okay?
Okay.
Get yours, DJ. Get yours.
Oh,
So we're gonna get one for DJ.
yay!
Okay, come on. What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
So Zia's playing with the sticky hand now.
It's from yeah.
Yes, so squishy. Okay, let's go get something to drink.
Okay, Mom. The place.
No,
Thank you, Mom.
you're welcome. Azia went to the bathroom. Happy? Hey guys, so we're here again since the kids want to get some more puppet fidget toys. So we're back here. So I'll show you guys what they have. They have the one for the phone.
Legos.
There you go.
Dress balls. Okay.
Zia wants to get one over there.
I want to get this.
Okay, baby.
I want to get the hand.
Did you get the flower?
I want to get the hand. I want to get the. There's another one.
Ooh. Oh, you got the same thing.
Oh.
Yep.
It's a different color.
Yep. Get the same
And you
thing.
do color.
You want that?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so wipe it first. Come on. Here, wipe it. Which one, DJ? Come on, guys. You gotta get fidget again?
One, two, three, go. I got the flower one.
You get the flower? What about you, DJ? No. God bless you. You want the Pokemon one?
Yeah.
Okay, give it to me. So Zia get the flower one. And DJ, he didn't be able to get the toy from the machine. He's gonna get another one. They call it a glitter potty balls.
I got
Ooh. So they get this glitter potty balls. They really feel squishy, guys. I'll show you some more. Mommy's going to try the puppet again. Got a yellow one. This is the one I got, guys. Hey guys, it's not working. Oh, what's over there? Guys, it's stuck in there. We didn't get it. We can't get it. See? We lost it. And then there's two in there too. Aww. Cell phone accessories, guys. Ooh, what's that?
Where's the?
Let's see. It looks weird.
Looks like an alien.
It's the thing, guys. I think you have to take it out and put it in the stand. Another machine here, guys. So they have this one. Oh, I like the eye. But we don't have any more 2 euros, guys. So we can only get the 1 euro because we don't have change. Go ahead. Ooh, what did you get? We open it later. Okay. And then get the other one. The spinner bike. Get your money back. Ooh, this won't work, guys. Hold on. Oh, too bad, guys. We don't have any more coins. We only have 1 euros and they need the whole 2 euros in there. Here you go. It's a new machine. She's gonna try another one for the sticky lizard. And they have the new machine over here. So they have the scrunchies, the super flummies. I don't know what's that. What is that one? And then they have the furries over here. It's the squishy ones as well. And they're selling all this masks over there. So I think Zia's gonna try the scrunchy ones or the furries.
I want to try this one.
This one? Okay.
1 euro.
Yep, get the 1 euro over here. So guys, this one is not working. Ooh. There you go, guys. Let's try the furries. Get it.
There we go.